Hello, I'm in a 2007 Chevy Avalanche, and today I'm going to show you to open the hood. So from the driver's side here, we'll go down and you should see a lever right here that you'll pull, which releases the safety. If you're having issues, you might want to check in there. Make sure this is all connected properly. Back behind there should be a little cable as well that should be connected. So we'll go to the front now. You should see the hood's a little bit loose since we got that safety released. It sounds like it is. And then most vehicle models towards the middle, there's a lever that you'll need to push. So this one, we're going to push this way and lift. It's just sticking on this one, but you can see what it looks like here. So if I lower the hood a little bit, let's see if I can do this with one hand. That's it. Here's what this looks like. This is where it was hooked onto. Make sure nothing's bent. Make sure your hood's straight. If it's a little out of alignment, you might have issues, which this one might. You can get some debris cleaned up. Some WD-40 sprayed in there could help too if it's sticking. But otherwise, I hope this was helpful. Hope you have a great day.